If you've ever wondered how to build a powerful web application with WordPress without being a developer, today's tutorial is perfect for you. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to turn your WordPress site into a fully functional web app, like a booking system, a directory, or even a simple CRM, all using easy low-code tools. Let's jump right in and get your project off the ground. The very first thing you need to do is define exactly what your web application should do. I really can't stress this enough. Before you start touching plugins or forms, take a few minutes and write down the core features you need. For example, are you building a job listing board for your community? Maybe you need users to be able to submit entries, see them displayed in a list, and have confirmation emails sent when they post. Or perhaps you're setting up a booking system where users can reserve a time slot and see available dates on the website. Knowing your must-have features acts like a map. It helps you pick the right tools and prevents wasted time later on. Once you know what your app needs to do, head over to your WordPress dashboard and it's time to install a plugin that can handle both forms and a database. Two of my favorites are Formidable Forms and WP Forms. Both have really user-friendly interfaces and are packed with the features you need. What you're looking for is a plugin that not only collects information from users, but also lets you store and display that info on your site's front end. Once you've installed your chosen plugin and activated it, you're ready for the next step. Now, create the forms that will drive your web application using the plugin's drag-and-drop builder. This is usually pretty straightforward. For instance, if you're building a directory, you might make a form for users to submit new directory entries. If it's a booking system, you'll design fields for the user's name, their contact info, preferred date, and any special requests. The drag-and-drop system is really forgiving, so you can play around, add or remove fields, and preview your form until it feels just right. Don't worry if you're not sure exactly what you need. Start basic. You can always tweak your forms as your app evolves. Next, you'll want to build your display, the part where users can actually see the data others have submitted. In many form plugins, especially Formidable Forms Pro, this is called creating a view. A view lets you take all the entries submitted via your form and present them beautifully on a WordPress page, whether in a table, list, or even a calendar grid. Say you're making a job board. With a view, you can show all the recent job postings in an organized way, so visitors can browse and interact with the data live. This is where your application truly becomes dynamic, letting users see and use information in real time. Before you go live, take a moment to configure extra settings and add any logic your application needs. For most apps, you'll want email notifications. Maybe alert the admin when someone submits a form or send a thank you note to the user. You can also set up conditional logic to show or hide fields depending on what the user selects, making the form smarter and more user-friendly. And don't forget to customize the confirmation message that appears after a form is submitted to guide your users on their next steps. Finally, it's time to bring everything together for your users. Simply create a new page in WordPress, give it a descriptive name like Book an Appointment or Submit a Listing. Then use your plugin's block or a shortcode to embed your new form and view directly into the page. Hit publish and just like that, your web application is live. Visitors can find your page, enter information, and see everything update instantly. There you have it, a complete, low-code way to build a dynamic web application right inside WordPress, no programming required. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what kind of apps you're building, or if you have questions, I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this. Thanks for watching and happy building.